About 9 o'clock in the morning. Record snowfall. That's killing all the trees. This is what my backyard looks like. This is my yard. There's not as much on the house as I thought there was. And how I'm going to clean all this up. At least that stayed up so far. Incredible.
Of course, if he lets go of that thing, the kid will be catapulted across the room and into his crib.
Ooh, it's getting windy. Let's get out of here before more come crashing down. Let's see what the front yard looks like. Well, we get out. They're hanging pretty low. Good Lord. Yeah, they're hanging low, but none of these broke. Ooh, they lost some big ones.